Like this root ball, you can see where a big birch tree just tipped over and its roots pulled up and made this wall of dirt. It's a great place to build your shelter. One, because it's a wall that I don't underneath the root ball. You know, that's bare ground. It's hard to emphasize how much of a time crunch I'm in right now. I've got about 2.5 hours before it's dark. I go through and knock all the limbs off the poles. The limbs and scrap pieces go in the fire. The parts I'm going to use to build my shelter, I lean up against the root ball, let those dry next to the fire so they're nice and warm and dry.